Got an engine block warmer. See how it starts. Gonna do a cold start. 0 degrees out. I'm gonna unlock it. Okay. Let the glow plugs heat up. Yeah, always starts. Let's let that idle for a little bit. See your rev. Yes. Alright, 2007 F250 Lariat. Pop the hood. Banks ran air. I'll let you get the exhaust.